video or a YouTuber strategy. So, especially like some of the trader who put videos of their strategies of their trading. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how you can do with any of the YouTube videos. Okay, it's not just one, with any of the YouTube strategies which you saw and you like them. Okay, so especially this kind of a community has been built on YouTube where they show their strategies, try to make for you to learn them. Okay, so especially a number of things are there which you need to consider. So if you scroll through videos, you get to know some of the person that is doing great in the market and they got special techniques. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how you can decode the stuff. Okay, so first of all, I say that if you're not a subscriber of Profit Trader, please do subscribe and definitely do like this video. Okay, and do share this video. So first of all, the process is, say suppose I have took this video because the video which I was scrolling and I'm looking through as in like learning part. This strategies of the videos can be different for your setup. Okay, so whichever the videos you liked it, you try to decode them. Okay, and see how much it will be helpful. Okay, so it can be in any languages. So as per the Indian stock market, okay, so there is a number of languages are there. So whichever language you prefer, just try to see that stuff and try to decode as I'm trying to do. Okay, so if I go through these videos now, suppose if I search any of the videos, I'll get the videos. Okay, so this is kind of the video should be there, should be an explainable videos will be there, and you can understand. And even two things which you can like try to decode. First of all, like you can get with the transcript. Second, you can get with the image recognition, so that is also can be done. Okay, so the most easiest one I must say that you should try to get with a transcript one. Okay, so suppose if I like uh, open this video, okay, and I try to play this, I'll get a transcript. So if you click on the show transcript, you will get this video. Okay, so the scroll will be there, so explaining each and everything in a nice manner, and it is recorded with the time frame as well. Okay, so what you can do, you just copy this stuff, just copy. Okay, just copy it and put it in a text file. So all you have to do is just copy this stuff and put it in a text document or text file. Okay, and then later on we will try to decode this stuff. Okay, so in this video, as an example I'm giving, as a roadmap I'll give to you, which you can try from your side. Okay, so first thing you required is text processing. So the previous video which have been done is related to the process text file and make them useful as a CSV file in Python. Okay, so now what happens, why I'm making this in a CSV file, because CSV file the format will be easy to read, and through this search algorithm, through this this string match, even like string contains even equal into the string. Okay, so if try to match and if it is available, we definitely gonna get these things. To process this stuff, you definitely need to consider this as some processing test. Okay, so if you get through my videos, youtube.com/profitdata/videos, okay, you will get this all of the videos. You can scroll. Otherwise, if you just search, it will be helpful. So first of all, the thing is I'm looking for an installation. So you know first thing you need to begin is with the installation. So you can the previous video which have been done with the PyCharm. So if you're looking for like instead of ideally or any kind of a text editor, you just try to get with these things. Otherwise, easy stuff will be like getting with your basic installation, which will be come from python.org/downloads. Okay, so from that you can try, and even the basic sublime text is also there, which have been done video. So this is what you should try. So what happens when you done when you do the installation of this Python, the basic support provided by the sublime text. Okay, So I think that is will be helpful. So try this stuff. Install Python 3.10.5. It is the best for Windows. Okay, and try to do the installation and it carried by Linux as well. Okay, and even you can try for the MacBook. Okay, so do try this stuff. So installation is very much important. Okay, so now this is what I gave you. So you just if you just go through the installation, just go through the text. Okay, so right now the text processing. Okay, one more stuff is there. Otherwise you can say as a finance, or otherwise you can say as a sentiment. Okay, so if you just so you can scroll the videos also. Otherwise you just have to get through the right mark of this search engine. Okay, so then only you will be able to process. So if you just enter any calling them as a sentiment, it will give us the video which you are looking for. So try the keywords, it will be helpful. Otherwise in the video section try to scroll. Now what happens if I get to the sentiments? First thing you just because this is in Hindi. Okay, so if it makes more easier to Google the stuff or anything as in conversion, I think if you are getting through any kind of as a financial sentiment analysis module, the English will be better. So first thing is required is to convert them in English. So Google Translate and text to speech will be helpful. Okay. So in this case also, whatever the things have been given as a post which you can check. So the code is available with it. So what you can do, just try to put this text and convert them in English as required language, and it will be helpful to you. So I've already given this video. Okay, so the destination which you can try from your side is just giving all those things. Keep it and then try this stuff. Okay, so this this code will be helpful. So try this stuff. Okay, and the same thing, next step will be this playlist. So try to watch this financial sentiment analysis which will be helpful. Okay, so the financial sentiment analysis in every part it will be helpful. And one more thing, say suppose if you got any kind of a website and you want to get those things, so what you can do, you just try to download or say download the stuff as a PDF format. Okay, so if you click on this one, that also will be helpful. And after getting download, all you have to do is convert them and try for this sentiment analysis. So module is required. So now what happens after this? You just need to process this stuff. Okay, so you will convert some of, try to summarize. Okay, so only possible with this natural language processing module. So you need to check with whatever comes with the financial sentiment analysis, which you can check this playlist. So that will be helpful. Okay, so try this stuff. Even I've been given this as an app as well. Okay, and how you can decode the news. And one of the best thing is suppose if you downloaded the videos, you try to convert from video to text. Okay, so that will be helpful. Okay, so what we are doing as of right now to convert all those things, analyze them, backtest them, and then finally we will convert for trading purpose. Okay, so after video to text, what happens? Will things will get easy for you? You got the text, process them and convert them into a required module. Okay, I mean you just summarize them. Now next thing we required is graph. Okay, so to begin with any kind of a coding part, you definitely need flowchart. Okay, so that is very much important. Flowchart is the part where you can try for your for the breakdown of your conclusions. So once you get the text part, you just try for this conversion of your text summary into graph or chat. So what happens, that will be give and yes or no conditions with a start and stop. So that will be helpful. Okay, so graph, otherwise you can say as a graph with. So that is the part. So any of the video which I'm talking about, it's already done. Okay, even the code is available, so you can search in www.profitedweb.com. To the right hand side there will be bar will be there. So search for Profited Web, just give it whatever the keywords you're looking for, same as you are giving for this, so it will be helpful. So create a flowchart diagram using graph in Python. Now what happens? You just concluded. So you got your sentiment analysis and you break down your text. Okay. So after breaking down the text, what happens? You just need to convert them as a flowchart. So this code will be helpful. This graph is will be helpful. Okay. So you can search for the code as well. Now what happens if you just try to process or put up functions? You just give it those things in a graph as a start, stop, yes, no, and ellipse, rectangles, all of the things, and give it to those things. And now you come to this as in flowchart, so system design. So that will be very much helpful to begin all this process, because all of these conditions, what happens, will be get into as a part of development process itself. Okay, so how you can begin? It begins with your as a verbal communication. It is all about the communications between client and a developer. Okay, the user and a developer. So client just narrate that stuff, and that be converted into like system design or a flow chart, and after that the coding part will begin. Okay, so all of these things will be go for these things. Now so suppose you converted the graph page as a flow chart. Now the next part will be like you will start coding. So one I have a video on how you can go for this formula to technical indicators. So just turn formula into technical indicators code in Python. So now you just got your flowchart, even you got the formula. So this is kind of a you have to put your flowchart into a formula. You got this process and try to write them in a functions. So you can just try to put in a formula into technical indicators and code them. So that will be helpful. And for benchmark, I must say that talib is there. Okay, so try to get with the talib as well. So talib is important. Okay, so once you get with the talib, so what happens? It will if any part of things as compared to if you explain certain kind of a things as an technical indicators, you just try to code the stuff. Okay, so even I've given the installation of talib, you can process with the talib. So things are there which you can try. So if you ask for talib, it is available. So important part is formula to code. Okay, so talib installation and even plotting and some of the things which I were explain how you can utilize all of the stuff. You have an explanation moving average in Python where formula to code is there which you can check. Okay, so all of the things I've been explaining, so try to see some of the stuff, and any of the indicators which came across, just call the functions. So it is a wrapper, okay, C or C++, called API in Python. Okay, so that is the reason you can utilize the tele. Okay, so follow the process. It is an easy process. So try to contain in an environment that will be helpful. Okay, so you coded, you converted your formula to code, even the graph you converted. Now the main picture will become, because without back testing there is nothing is there. Okay, so if any indicator is there, you can utilize a framework as a back testing. Okay, so back testing comes with as in Python this help of a backtrader. So if any of the indicator is there, you can try with a backtrader. Okay, so this is also a framework which will be helpful. Otherwise, you can code even own framework for strategies. Okay, how you can put it in a simple words? We'll go with the Excel wings. Okay, so Excel wings, what happens? It offers the automation of your Excel. Okay, so if you go with the Excel wings, what happens? I will already shown how you can interact with your all of the Excels. So I think that will be helpful. So just try with the Excel wings, or if you just search as an Excel. Okay, so Excel part read and write. Even you can get with the pandas, or the best wonderful library you can get with Excel wings. Okay, so just do try with this Excel wings. So I think that will be helpful. So this is the way you should look for it, and try to see how much it will be helpful. So all of the communication need to be done through this one. So what happens if you just put the data of yours, whichever you coded? Okay, so data will be converted into columns, and all of the stuff you prepared. Now what happens? Buy and sell begin. Okay, so from that point to this point, you just put a formula in one column of this one, buy sell, and at end of the end you calculated the points, and you have totaled And after that, what happens? You just get with the margin calculator. So that is also I've been given a code. So what happens in this margin calculator? If you just give it certain things, it will give you how much margin it took. So at final in total PNL, just adjust your brokerages, each and everything, and you are good to go. Okay. So if the percentage wise, if it is giving good returns, you just go for it. Okay. Otherwise, if you are happy with whatever you tested as a back testing stuff, now you need to put this in your real time. And how you can go with this one, with the help of order management. Okay. So whichever broker will be helpful, you just go with it. So Fires is there, Zerodha is there, Allies Blue is there. So I've given a number of brokers which you can try for Allies Blue of stocks. So whichever you feel comfortable, just go with it. Just get their data. Okay, so important stuff is getting this OHLC data. Okay, so that is very much important. So just try to get this OHLC data. Okay, even you can convert this WebSocket data into streaming and you can check. Otherwise, you can fetch the LTP. Okay, the conversion of a candle to OHSC, which you can try to check. Live feed, you can get the data, and OHSC data. Okay, so that is how you can get historical data as an OHSCV. So all of the stuff I have been given, just take it out this data, process them as an order, and all you have to do is like keep it some at least 5 to 10,000 minimum. Just keep it in your account and place orders and check. Even you can do for the mark trading at the first, placing orders as in as a mock, and see that everything is going good. Okay, then after what happens, put some money and see how things working. Before that, don't try to put money. Otherwise, sometimes if you are not as a part of a developer or a testing part, it won't help you. So that is the final progress which you need to take at the end, is testing with few of the money. Okay, so that is the thing which you need to do. So I think I've been explained each and everything as a part, how I can process all this stuff. Okay, so see to that what can be done. Okay, as of right now, I must say that if you got any video or you got your own strategy and which you need to be developed and want to see them as in live market, and want to process them without any compromising with your time and money, you just come to me. Or you have any video which you liked it and you want to convert them as an algorithm and want to backtest and then want to perform in this market, please come to me. I will definitely gonna help you. Okay. Only the part is you need to pay the development charges. Okay. So you should need to keep the budget as well for this purpose. Okay. And if you do this stuff, I think that will be helpful, because instead of wondering here and there, if you see that this is a proven strategy, so try to decode them. I think that the case you should try to learn Python, and as part of the basics I've been given a number of things. If you wanna try, if you got money and time as well, just go with it and try this stuff. Okay, otherwise you can just come to me. Okay, just narrate whatever you're looking for, and I definitely gonna develop those things for you. Okay, with all of the stuff which I've been explained here. Okay, so I must say, thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct by WhatsApp. Thank you.